How to delete account bio history on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in with your Instagram account. From your home page, navigate to your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Once you get to your profile page, again tap on three-line icon from the top right corner. That's gonna take you to settings and activity. Here, scroll down and then tap on your activity. Now from this page, scroll down and then tap on account history. After you get to account history, you will find a menu bar at the top of this interface where you'll get various options. From that, tap on update type. From this drop down box, tap on bio and then tap on apply. Now, in this space, you will be able to view all the account bio history. Now to delete that all, if you swipe this menu bar to your left, there will have an option as clear all. Tap on it. And with that, the account bio history on your Instagram account has been deleted. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.